Alright guys, what's up? I'm Zack Pitt and this is my bike check. Alright, starting from the top of We The People Mad Max bars in 9.2 inch rise. Feels good for bar spins. They're cut down. My man Mick cut them. They flow around quick for bar spins when they're narrower. I have the trusty ODIs. Need a new pair, as you can see. I'm running the duct tape bar ends. Made them myself. Down here I've got my stem. Is a Sunday Freeze. A lot of people talk shit about it, but it hasn't slipped yet from me. Fuck the haters. Have a We The People top cap Patron with the We The People Patron forks, lifetime warranty, gunmetal. I have the Primo N4 FL flangeless front hub with a E-clat rim and E-clat spokes with a Cult D-Hart slick tire 2.4 on the front, and then one peg at the front, which is a BSD crack pipe peg. I need another one on the front as well for Switch Smiths. Alright, let me get down off this bitch before I fall in. The main part of the bike is my frame, obviously. It's a We The People Irish. Hang on, it's got some pretty gnarly battle wounds. You want to show them? Ooh. This was done by a previous owner that didn't know how to grind. So, it's 20.85, I believe, which is a little too big for me. I really want a 20.5 frame or something, 20.6 frame for whips or something. Just make it like snug to me. It just feels a bit big. Moving on, the BSD beverage fat seat. Don't like it that much. Oh, my seat post broken, so I can't have my seat up high for bar spins and cheat. BSD Safari pedals with Sabrosa bitchin' cranks. That's actually the name of them. They are Sabrosa bitchin' cranks. A BSD bottom bracket. A We The People turmoil sprocket, which is going to be changed because it's bent and I want a guard sprocket. I've got a trusty Shadow conspiracy chain, which is quite loose because of the bent sprocket. We can tighten this bad boy up. Look. Got a metal peg that I don't know what make it is, but it does the job for switch grinds. Shadow Raptor free coaster hub with a drive side hub guard on the non-drive side and no hub guard on this side. It's got a Stranger rim and E-clat spokes, and the spokes are quite loose and a lot of them are snapped. Another BSD crack pipe plastic peg here. Another 2.4 Cult D-Hart tire in the back, if you can see over here. Look, let's move along over here. Boom, I got sliced up in an alleyway. That's about it. I run 65 psi in both tires just for less impact of hard. If I'm riding park, I suppose I'd run 65, 60 for street. Here's some more clips. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to MPBMX. Give it a like if you liked the video. Comment what other videos you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching my bike check again. Boom.
Boom.
Done.